Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Stitch data for data replication, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Stitch data for data replication, start by navigating to the Stitch data website. Create an account if you haven't done so. Once you're on the home page, click on the login button. Enter your credentials to access your Stitch account. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Stitch dashboard. Locate the Add Integration button and click on it. Choose the source you wish to connect to from the list provided. Follow the on-screen prompts for the selected source. You'll need to enter the required connection details. These details may include API keys, usernames, and passwords depending on the source. Once you have filled in the necessary information, click on the Test Connection button. Stitch will attempt to connect to the source with the provided details. If the connection is successful, you will see a confirmation message. If not, double-check your credentials and try again. Once authenticated, select the data you would like to replicate. You can choose specific tables or entire databases to clone. After selecting the desired data, click Continue to move to the next step. Review your selections to ensure everything is correct. Click Launch to begin the data replication process. You will see a progress indicator as Stitch replicates your data. Once the process is complete, you'll be able to monitor the data flow from your dashboard. Congratulations, your data is now authenticated and replicating with Stitch data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.